Welcome to another unboxing segment from Design Atelier, and this one is coming from DHL, and it came from Alex Kowalski, who is now working with another Scottish brand. Scottish? I think it's Scottish, right? Or Irish. Well, why am I not certain? This is not the first time that I've unboxed their watches, but a little context there. It Alex used to work with Christopher Ward as a marketing coordinator. I think it's a coordinator. But now their company works with other companies other than Christopher Ward, since Christopher Ward apparently made their own or developed their own marketing um outfit or division. There you go, marketing division. So they didn't need Idea Works anymore, but Alex still works with Idea Works, and they work with other brands, not just watch brands, but also other clothing and apparel products. Anyway, so this is coming from, you guessed it, if you already are familiar with their older style watch rolls, it's coming from Nomadic. And yes, they have sent us, they were releasing a new GMT watch, and this is not it. So just full disclosure right away, I'm not gonna uh, keep your hopes up that might be one of those early unboxings and impressions of that new watch. No, this is the old but updated version of their Taurus. There we go. Oh, sorry, Marai. Marai, not the Taurus. Oh, I'm so bad with these names. I should be prepared with these lists. And well, anyway, that's why it's called microbrands unscripted, because it is, of course, terribly unscripted. Okay, so this is the Marai, but this is an updated version of the Marai, and you could see also that we got the black version. It still has that yellow accents on the second hand, which is very, very neat. We know that. We know that's a signature of this brand. And let's see. Let's listen to the bezel. It's softer this time around. There's a little bit of backplay there. There's a little, you can see there. There's a little bit of backplay. Okay, but nothing too difficult to work with, or nothing to shy away from. You guys are watch pirate men. Nothing that a little backplay could break your backs. Oh, backs would actually break your backs, but anyway. And now you could see they also have a display case back now compared to before. And I think there's something special about this. Where is it now? Isn't this a limited edition? I think it is, but I'm gonna have to confirm that later. Now, another thing that you could notice here, or I at least noticed from this time around, as I remember back in the time, they now have a much more refined bracelet. There is no wiggle room there. It's much crisper to handle. Let's see. Okay, also they have this very nice quick release mechanism for the end links. Let's see how to pop it back in. Yeah, and it pops, and it hinges back in very, very nicely. Micro adjust. There you go. Oh, that's rather smooth for a micro adjust. Very nice. I like that. And of course, Nomadic bridges. Glass is very, very good. So, you know the drill, guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Nomadic Marai 401. Is it better? Is it a considerable upgrade? Is it something that is breaking away from the Tudor Black Bay vibes, or is it still within the ballpark. I think it's still within the ballpark. You could still see it as a homage, but it has its own features to set it apart. And we'll dive into those details later in the video. And I could see already the ceramic bezel. I don't recall the first one to have that ceramic bezel, so that's another thing to keep an eye on. So comment, let me know what you guys think. The interesting and good ones will make it into the video review as usual.